The Transfluid factory, located in Schmallenberg, Germany, continues to grow. For the third time in the last 2 years, we have expanded, creating more space for innovative and sustainable technologies. Our new building, inaugurated this year, contains 23,000 square feet of production space. We also added a new logistics center with 14,000 square feet of storage space. This enables us to compensate for delivery bottlenecks and minimize lead times. The optimized infrastructure enables our team to provide efficient, future-oriented production. Transfluid, the solution for tubes, now and for the future.